Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GMC Acadia versus Yukon. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which SUV best fits your needs. First, we'll examine their size and passenger capacity. Then, we'll dive into performance and engine options. Next, we'll review interior features and technology. Finally, we'll discuss pricing, fuel efficiency, and overall value. The Yukon is a considerably larger vehicle, measuring 6 inches longer and 8 inches taller than the Acadia. This translates to more interior volume. Under the hood, the Acadia typically features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 228 horsepower. The Yukon, however, comes standard with a more powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine, delivering 355 horsepower, offering greater capability for towing and heavy loads. Inside, both the Acadia and Yukon prioritize comfort and connectivity. You'll find standard features like tri-zone climate control and seamless smartphone integration in both. However, the Yukon often boasts a larger 10.2-inch infotainment touchscreen compared to the Acadia's 8-inch display. Higher trims in both models offer luxurious touches such as heated and ventilated front seats, ensuring a premium experience for all occupants. When considering value, the Acadia generally offers better fuel efficiency, achieving up to 25 miles per gallon combined, making it a more economical choice for daily driving. The Yukon, with its robust engine options, excels in towing, capable of hauling up to 400 pounds, ideal for trailers or boats. Pricing also varies significantly, with the Acadia typically starting at a lower price point. For great deals and the link to those meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.